points F, G, H, J, and K are all collinear. That means they're all in like the same line. We'll just say they're all in the same number line. The length of FG is 32, H is the midpoint of FG, and J is the midpoint of HG. If JK, the distance between J and K, is equal to 3, what is one possible value, or one possible distance between J, G, and K? So, let's draw this all out. Use this side over here. We have this line right here. Not a very good line. In fact, I'll draw it again. That's a better line. So, we have FG. So F and G. So the distance between these 2 points is 32. So if H is the midpoint of FG, there's H. So now this right here is going to be 16, and this right here is going to be 16. FH and HG are both going to be 16. Now J is the midpoint of HG, so here's J right there. And it's the midpoint of HG, so this is going to be 8, and this is going to be 8, right? So K is 3 units away from J. So it could be right here at K, or it could be right here at K. So this is 3, or this is 3, 2 hypothetical places for K to be. So if it's right here, if it's closer to H, or if it's closer to G, then it's 8 minus 3 equal 5. That's one possible value. Or if it's, on the far side of J, where we find K, it would be 8 plus 3. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. We have 2 possible values. It does say possible values, so we kind of realize there are multiple possibilities here. It's probably a better idea to choose the smaller number to grid in, just because you're less likely to make mistakes, even though the difference between 5 and 11 isn't too great. This is a question you're probably the best to kind of write out. And remember that K is only 3 units away. It doesn't say what side it's on, so it could either be above J right there, or it could be below J. Either way, you just subtract or add 15 to the distance between J and G right here, which we've determined is 8, since we keep finding all these midpoints. 32, 16, 8. Let's go ahead and choose 5, make sure we're correct. And we are.